Hey guys, and welcome back to the Money Game with AC. In this video, or with this channel, we'll talk about stock. We will also talk about money, how to make it, how to grow it, and how to protect it. Today, I want to quickly go over what happened today with AMC and what to expect closing this trading week. So you don't want to miss the end, guys. All right, guys. First of all, tremendous day. These are the kind of day you want to see in AMC because we've been down almost 15% each day since the start of the week. So I was really hoping we would close at $11 or even $11.10, but we didn't. But that's fine. After hours, we're still making some a bit progress. At the time, we were up to 11.30. So I definitely see this as an interesting day for AMC, especially given the 3 days in a row. Where on my latest video, I was able to share with you guys all the data around how the hedges and the shorts were able to still attack the share price of AMC even with the SSR rule in play. And we're gonna go over that right now. So the information I was able to share with you guys yesterday, it's public information. So if you go to finra.org, OTC transparency, finra.org, you come to this page and then check the monthly view and type AMC as the symbol. And then you have it right here. You click here for the details. So this is what I shared with you yesterday, guys. We have a total shares of 2 billion shares, guys. AMC outstanding shares is not even up to 500 million. So how in the hell hedges are able with a single, again guys, this is for the month of January, but it really gives us an idea on how they were able to really attack and put the share price being down 15% on a single day. Is really because they are creating fake shares. They're creating synthetic shares, and this is tricking the algorithm like people are selling. Because to the best of my knowledge, guys, the retail investors like you and I, even though some people were panic selling or day trading, it doesn't undermine or underlie the fact that we are down 30-40% 3 days in a row just because it doesn't match up, it doesn't add up. So these data showed how they were being shady on the exchange with the regulated markets and off the exchange with these dark pools. The thing is, dark pools are not really illegal. It's something that is legal because, as I mentioned, when I was working on the New York Stock Exchange floor as a surveillance officer, these were really, see it as a sandbox where investors with big pocket are allowed to play without really impacting the share price, because they come in with big capital. They will sell in blocks, like big blocks of millions, sometimes thousands of shares, and they do it within other big pocket investors. So it's not illegal, but the thing is, this data is showing us that they are actually creating synthetic shares that are not existing in order to bring the price down continuously. Okay, so when we go back to the options activity, we can see that AMC is back to the top of the list in terms of volume, which is good because anytime we have volume, we can expect it to be to go in the uptrend. So we are still on the 63%, so 2-for-1 on the call option. So tomorrow will be really interesting to see how the share price of AMC will be behaving, because Fridays are always interesting because of the day. It is a day where options contracts are closing. So to me, we are just going back to $14. If we can go back to 14 right here, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not early next week, because again guys, you can't really be sure of what to say because the fundamentals and maybe sometimes the technical analysis on stocks like AMC, which are heavily shorted and heavily attacked by hedge funds and shorts, sometimes it doesn't even make sense. So for tomorrow and next week, I will say if we can go back to maybe 12 tomorrow or maybe 14, if we still have 22% as we had today, that will bring us to 12 or maybe 13 tomorrow. That will be a great thing. But again, guys, there are so many things happening behind the scenes that we are not aware as retailers, that you can't just make some of the same predictions you make with other stocks, still following the fundamentals. So just for that, I would say if we can go back to 12, that would be a great, huge win tomorrow, and then building from there, maybe seeing where we can go back on next week. But guys, there is no doubt that we are setting into a short squeeze. It may happen next week. It may happen at the end of the month of March. It may happen next year. We don't know. But for sure, we know that they are, the data is confirming that, I mean, guys, this thing is poised. This thing is poised. Okay. And this is not the only stock. So I was seeing on Fox TV today, there are like 500 stocks that S3 partners were able to identify that are on the brink of being short squeezed, just because the hedges have been doing so much attacks on so many retail company stocks, and the retail investors came in and bought. And with the stimulus checks coming, some people haven't received the stimulus checks, yes, me included. So as soon as everyone will have the stimulus checks, I can see this maybe going back towards the 14, maybe the 15. It will now depend on how many people are being able to transfer the money from the checking savings accounts to the actual brokerage accounts, and get that dry power working, and bring up back to maybe the 15 for next week. All right, guys, let me know what you guys intend to do. Did you buy the dip yesterday? And if you did, well done, guys, because that was a smart move, especially with the 21% gain today. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.